story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm not staying long. This is just a public announcement for later. I will be having credit giveaway, which is phone card giveaway. It doesn't matter where you are from, you could still enter. We are gonna do spellings. You can enter. Even if you don't want the credit, you can give it to somebody in the audience, or you might have a family member who say, okay, I want to send it to this person. You understand? So yes, guys, I will be live 9 o'clock my time, which is 8 o'clock in Jamaica. So hope to see you guys. And I also want to say a big thanks to each and everyone for their continual support of Life with Corey. Guys, I am on the road to 1K and I really do appreciate the love. Guys, the last time I did a video and I called names and I forget so many names. That's why I'm not gonna call a name again, because I'm gonna leave somebody's name out again, and that's what I am running from. So I want to say a big thanks to everyone who spend them time out, whether if you are a YouTuber or you're a non-YouTuber. I want to say a big thanks. I really do appreciate it, you know, and I love you guys. I have sleepless night, as you can see my eyes. I am tired, but I'm still pushing. You understand? Even though I am benefiting from my channel, but I know that you guys are enjoying watching me, you know, and that make me feel good. Even when I get private message like, oh my god, you motivate me so much and stuff like that, I really do appreciate it. So see you guys later at 9 o'clock. It's going to be 8 o'clock in Jamaica. Spellings with credit giveaway, and we're gonna continue the topic about abuse. Okay, guys, the spellings will run for 2 hours. So I'm telling you from now, the spellings will run for 2 hours. I'll be giving away the first and second place credit. You understand? Well, not first and second place. First and second place. I'll be giving away credit to first place and second place. But 2 persons will be getting credit, you know? So make sure say, I'm gonna study and get ready for Life with Corey Spellings Bee competition. Yes, guys, make sure so you're ready. And guess what? If anybody wants to be my co-host, they're free to join the screen. They are free to join the screen and help me to judge what is going on. You understand? I love all of you guys equally, but I love none more than none. Bless upon yourself, Magan. Please remember to subscribe. That's the #1 rule.